Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm from Senior High School number 1 Pringgarata, Central Lombok. My name is Desi Rizkia, and I would like to deliver my argument about this motion today is this House will disallow the practice of instantaneously naturalizing foreign athletes to serve on national sport teams. Okay, well, ladies and gentlemen, if we talk about instantaneous naturalizing, is a process or granting, is a process or granting to a foreigner citizenship of a country that bypass to usual process of naturalization. And if other people want to be citizen in Indonesia, if we talk about Indonesia, if a foreigner want to be a citizen in Indonesia, you have to do a lot of things. You have to do a lot of rules if you want to be a citizen. As we know, naturalizing is not free. It's not the rule that's easy. You have to do a lot of things. You have to follow the rules. You have to follow a lot of the rules that was valid in Indonesia. Especially in Undang-Undang Number 12 2006, this was explained. If you want to be a citizen in Indonesia, you have to follow the rules. Like you have to understand about Indonesian language. You have to know about Indonesian language. Now, if you don't know, if you can't speak Indonesian language, you cannot be a citizen. You cannot do naturalizing. And the second thing is you never get the punishment. Why? If you get the punishment, if you do a criminal before in your countries, you cannot be a citizen in Indonesia. Because the second rules, if you want to be citizen in Indonesia, is you never get the punishment. And the third thing is your age on 18 years old. So if your age is under 18 years old, you cannot be citizen in Indonesia, and you cannot follow the national sport teams. And it's mean your age is on 18 years old. And if you talk about the athletes is a people. It's a people that have a good skill, that had a good evidence, that have a good ability on a sport. Because athlete is very near with sport, like football, volleyball, and tennis ball, and anything else. And if you want to be athlete, you have to have a good skill. You have to have you must have a good evidence and anything else. And if you talk about the athletes, we know athlete national and international. Athlete national is people go to league national like the countries, but international athlete is a people that go to league international. And in international, you can be athlete international if you have a good ability, if you have a good evidence, and you have a good skill. And if we talk about national sport teams is a people that make a community of sport in our country itself. Like Indonesia now, we have a community of football. We have a community of volleyball, tennis ball, and basketball, and anything else. This is a national sport team. This is a national sport team because this community is own. Its community is mine. Is our sport teams. It's our community. And why? I really agree about this motion, because the first thing, if Indonesia allow the national naturalizing, Indonesia will be discriminate of citizen. Why I say like that? Well, ladies and gentlemen, if a foreigner will be a citizen in Indonesia, they do the naturalizing, and you know this will make our national sport team. Our national sport team is the player is a foreigner. You know, the player is not local athletes. it's mean a foreigner. And if we do naturalizing, this will make our citizens self feel discriminate. Will feel discriminate. Why? Because in a sport, in national sport teams that have a player foreigner, and they don't use our citizen self. How they feel? They will feel discriminate. They will feel they will feel they cannot advance. They cannot develop our countries with their skill self. And as we know. As we know now, if a citizen don't be a player in the sport in the national sport teams, this will make they feel discriminate. And we have a citizen that have a good skill, that have a good ability, that have a good advance, but we develop a foreigner to be a player in a national sport team. It's not good, ladies and gentlemen. And for examples now, Silvio Esabor, he is a player of Barcelona before, but he be a citizen, and he followed the national sport teams. And as we know, let's see the citizen. They cannot development their skill. They cannot be a player international because they fight with a foreigner. And the second thing is in insulting skill of Indonesia. Insulting skill of Indonesia. Well, ladies and gentlemen, why I say like that? Now, if Indonesia be the winner, in event like you know the ASEAN Games. ASEAN Games is one of a big event, the international event that was due in Indonesia on 2018. And we have a local athlete like like Muhammad Zohri. He developed their skill now. And how before they forget we have a good skill. We have a good skill on our citizen. This will make insulting skill of Indonesia. Why? Because now if a foreigner be a citizen in Indonesia and follow the national sport team. This will make name of our countries. Other countries will not proud with our countries. Because you know the player is a foreigner, and this will make you never think about adapt. You know, adapt. If a foreigner do a naturalizing in Indonesia, this will make they have a double citizen. So that's why they can do anything. They can do whatever they want. So include adapt our skill. Now, if a foreigner be a player football in Indonesia, in a national sport team in Indonesia, they can adapt our skill. They can adapt our culture. You know, Indonesia is rich of a culture. Is a country that have a good culture in a rich international. So a lot of people, a lot of foreigners come to Indonesia, want to see our culture, and this will make if they be a citizen, they do a naturalizing, they can free to adapt our culture, and they go to their country self and adapt our culture. This is a bad impact for us, ladies and gentlemen. And now, if Indonesia self do a naturalizing, we can open the big chance to other people in other country be a citizen in Indonesia. So this will make other people, especially a foreigner, come to Indonesia, will be citizen in Indonesia, because they know if we do naturalizing, it means they can be a double citizen. They can be a double citizen. So this will make a lot of people come to Indonesia, and Indonesian self will forget our skill, will forget our citizen skill. So as we know, so many bad impact if we do the naturalizing, especially for our citizens self and include our country self. You know, the bad impact for our countries. A lot of things like I have said, our culture will be adapt with a foreigner. This is the bad impact for our country self, and for citizens we will feel discriminate because our country self. Our country self use the foreigner be a player in a national sport team, and this is why so many impact. This is why I really agree about this motion, because so many bad impact for our citizen and for our country self, and this is why I really agree about this motion. Thank you.